Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Running your shop from your phone, some people love to do so even though it's not that perfect, but a lot of people like to do so. So basically using your phone, using your desktop is these same steps. You can even check the Etsy Seller app. You can manage shipping there, delivery settings on the go. They are basically the same settings since it's the same platform. So if you are using the app, all you're gonna do is open the SESR app, then tap on more or shop settings after fully logging in using your email address and password. Then you're gonna go select ship and profiles, then tap create new profile, enter the processing time, add ship and services and delivery estimates, then set your pricing, then tap on save. So if that didn't work, if you have some problems within the app itself, it's totally fine to join Etsy.com here. Tap on Etsy, the link, then log in using your email address and password. Go through the shop manager here, then create a new profile from these settings here as well. It's the same thing. You can also, you should double check or all of the career selection, use separate profiles for domestic and international shipping, then update your profiles instead of editing listings one by one. And that's the whole idea. And keep in mind that if you are using the app, if you are using the website, there are the same steps. It's the same app, it's the same platform, it's the same settings. Basically it's the same account as well. If you change something on desktop, it will be changed on the app. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.